This is TC42. TC42 is a high strength RTM adhesive. TC42, really great attributes is it dissolves in resin, so it shouldn't leave any sort of residue on the product that you're actually adhering. So, just going to show you how to spray it. So I just give it a shake. Now, with all of the adhesives I'm going to show you today, you want to spray about 40 centimeters. You're going to get your best results actually for strength and tack, and that's so that the product actually sits on top of your glass mat. So TC42, if I just give you a look, spraying from nice and far away, and I've now got that adhesive onto the product. TC42 has what's called a Pebble Mist spray. So it's not a fine mist. It leaves little blotches that you'll see. It's not to worry on the finished part because they'll just infuse into the resin. So what I'll do is I'll also show you this on something black so I can show you what's happening with this spray pattern. It's a bit different. So when I spray TC42, I spray it from far away and I let it drop onto the surface. And if you can see, what actually happens there is you get that Pebble Mist effect. And that's actually what will be sitting there and adhering your sheets of fiberglass matting to each other. So when you're spraying it, about 40 cm away is going to be best, and you can just spray it onto your mold.